absorption, and if your body isn't absorbing vitamins and minerals properly, your hormone balance takes a hit. This can lead to low energy, slower metabolism, and reduced libido. A simple habit: drink a full glass of water before every meal. This not only helps with digestion, but also prevents overeating, supports fat metabolism, and keeps your energy level steady throughout the day. Sips, not gulps, the art of hydration. Chugging large amounts of water all at once can flush out important minerals, leaving you feeling sluggish and depleted. Your body absorbs water best when it's consumed in small, steady amounts throughout the day. Think about it: when a plant is watered too quickly, the soil doesn't absorb it properly, and the excess just runs off your body. Works the same way, drinking in smaller sips. Simple hacks for staying hydrated ensures proper absorption, keeping you hydrated, energized, and performing at your best. A great trick: carry a water bottle with you and sip. How to hydrate. Properly timing sips versus gulps, and key tips: consistently aim for about 8 to 10 glasses per day. But listen to your body's signals. If you're active, sweating, or feeling fatigued, increase your intake for hydrate. Smart at night. Hydration is important, but drinking too much water right before bed can interrupt your sleep cycle. Poor sleep is one of the biggest testosterone killers, and frequent bathroom trips in the middle of the night can leave you feeling drained the next morning. Instead, stop heavy water intake 1 to 2 hours before bed. This allows your body to retain hydration without disrupting deep sleep. If you feel thirsty, take small sips instead of full glasses to avoid unnecessary wake-ups. Want to maximize your nighttime hydration? Herbal teas like chamomile or peppermint can hydrate you while promoting relaxation and better sleep quality. By following these simple hydration strategies, you'll wake up more energized, improve your digestion, and keep your stamina strong all day long. In the next section, I'll reveal the hidden hydration mistakes that are draining your energy and lowering your libido, plus how to fix them fast. If this is making sense so far, hit the like button and comment hydration boost below. Now, let's dive into the biggest enemies of hydration and how to avoid them. The hidden enemies of hydration that kill your energy, even if you're drinking. Conclusion and final tips: enough water. There are hidden hydration traps that could be draining your energy, lowering your libido, and slowing your performance. Let's break down the biggest offenders and how to avoid them. Alcohol, coffee, and sugary drinks. Most people don't realize that not all liquids hydrate you. Some actually steal water from your body. Alcohol, coffee, and sugary drinks act as diuretics, which means they make you lose water faster than you can replace it. This leads to dehydration, fatigue, and even worsens circulation. Alcohol dehydrates your body by increasing urine production. It also lowers testosterone levels, which directly impacts libido and energy. If you're drinking alcohol regularly, make sure to counteract it by drinking extra foods that help keep you hydrated and energized. Water to stay balanced. Coffee and caffeinated drinks give a temporary boost but quickly lead to dehydration. If you drink coffee, balance it by drinking an extra glass of water for every cup of coffee you have. Sugary sodas and energy drinks might feel refreshing, but they spike blood sugar and cause energy crashes. They don't actually hydrate you. Instead, they make you more tired and sluggish. Fix it. If you enjoy these drinks, just be smart about it. For every cup of coffee, soda, or alcoholic drink, have a glass of water to balance it out. Your body will thank you. 2 foods that help you stay hydrated. Hydration isn't just about drinking water. It's also about eating the right foods that help your body retain fluids and keep your energy high. Some of the best foods to boost hydration and improve circulation include avocados, packed with healthy fats and potassium, which help regulate fluid balance and keep muscles strong. Cucumbers, made up of over 90% water. They help replenish lost hydration and keep your skin glowing. Watermelon, a natural source of hydration and antioxidant ions that improve circulation and blood flow. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and romaine lettuce are full of electrolytes that support hydration and energy. Fix it. Add these foods into your daily meals. A smoothie, day salad, or just a snack. Every little bit helps keep you hydrated. Hydration myths and the truth. There's a lot of misinformation about hydration. Let's clear up some common myths so you can stay properly hydrated without the confusion. Myth: you only need 8 glasses of hidden enemies of hydration. Coffee, alcohol, and sugar water a day. Truth: hydration needs vary based on activity level, diet, and climate. If you're active, you likely need more than 8 glasses per day. Listen to your body. Myth. Coffee hydrates you because it's liquid. Truth. Coffee is a diuretic, meaning it actually makes you lose water faster. Always balance coffee with water to stay properly hydrated. Myth. You should only drink water when you feel thirsty. Truth. By the time you're thirsty, you're already dehydrated. The key is preventative hydration. Drink consistently throughout the day before thirst kicks in. By avoiding these common hydration traps and making smarter choices, you can keep your energy high, improve circulation, and stay at your peak performance. Next, I'll show you how to build a simple, powerful hydration routine that will keep you feeling strong, sharp, and confident all day long. Now let's move on to the final step, creating a daily hydration plan that works for you. Take back your energy and confidence. Hydration isn't just about drinking water. It's about mastering a habit that can completely transform your energy, confidence, and performance. The small daily choices you make regarding hydration directly affect your stamina, focus, and even your ability to enjoy life to the fullest. And the best part, it's one of the easiest things to fix. Drinking enough water isn't just about quenching your thirst. It's about keeping your body running at its absolute best when your 7-day challenge. A simple routine to boost stamina and confidence, hydrated your circulation, improves your hormone levels, stay balanced, and your energy remains steady throughout the day. You feel more alert, more capable, and more in control of your body. But information alone isn't enough. You have to take action. That's why I have a challenge for you. Your S-Day challenge. For the next 7 days, follow these simple steps. Start your morning with a glass of water before anything else. This small habit alone will set the tone for better hydration all day long. Avoid common dehydration traps like excessive caffeine, alcohol, and sugary drinks. If you do consume them, balance them with extra water. Incorporate hydrating foods into your meals. Things like cucumbers, leafy greens, and watermelon. Help your body retain moisture. Naturally track how you feel. Notice the difference in your energy, focus, and even your mood when you start paying attention. You'll realize just how much of an impact hydration has on your daily life at the end of the 7 days. I want you to come back and let me know, what changes did you experience? Do you feel more energized, more focused, more confident? Did you learn something new today? If this video opened your eyes, hit the like button and drop a comment below. What's one hydration mistake you've been making, and how will you fix it? Your feedback is invaluable. And I personally read every comment. And remember, if you found this helpful, share it with a friend who needs to hear it. The more people who understand the power of hydration, the better we can all feel. Until next time, stay hydrated, stay confident, and take control of your vitality. Have you been sabotaging your own desire without even realizing it? Have you ever wondered why some men over 50 still have incredible stamina, drive, and confidence, while others struggle with low energy, fading passion, and lack of desire? You might think it's genetics, diet, or exercise, but the real answer is shockingly simple. It's how you drink water. Most people unknowingly wreck their energy, libido, and performance every single day, simply by neglecting proper hydration. Dehydration weakens your circulation, lowers testosterone, and drains your stamina. If you've been feeling sluggish, struggling with focus, or noticing a dip in your bedroom performance, this could be the hidden reason. Think about it. When was the last time you really thought about how much water you're drinking, or when you're drinking it? Most men don't. We grab a coffee in the morning, maybe a soda in the afternoon, and by evening we might have had just a couple of glasses of water all day. That's a big mistake. Your body is crying out for hydration, and the signs are right in front of you. Fatigue, mental fog, muscle stiffness, and yes, even lack of desire. Your body is literally running on empty. But here's the good news. Fixing this is easier than you think. In this video, I'll reveal the scientific truth about hydration and how it directly impacts your 6-year-old health, stamina, and overall vitality. You'll also learn the worst hydration mistakes men over 50 make and exactly how to drink water the right way to bring back energy, confidence, and passion. If you've ever felt frustrated, why hydration is critical for libido with your energy levels, or notice that your drive just isn't what it used to be, you're not alone, and it's not your fault. Most men are never told how important hydration is for their sex life. their mental clarity, or their ability to perform at their best. But once you understand this, you'll never see a glass of water the same way again. Stay with me until the E, and because I'll be sharing a simple daily hydration routine that could transform your energy and S3x each life in just 7 days. And if you're serious about improving your health, comment D1 below so I know you're in if you haven't subscribed. How dehydration silently destroys libido and energy to the channel. Yet take a second to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video packed with powerful tips for men's health, confidence, and relationships. I'd also love to hear your thoughts if you find this content valuable. Comment 1 below if it doesn't resonate with you. Leave a 0. Your feedback helps me create better videos tailored to what you want to see. All right, now, let's get into it. The hidden connection between hydration and S3 fuel vitality. Most men assume that drinking water is just about quenching thirst, but it's so much more than that. Hydration is the fuel behind your blood circulation, hormone production, and stamina. Without it, your body struggles to perform at its peak. Let's break it down. Blood flow. The lifeline of desire, passion, pleasure, and performance. All start with blood circulation and sexual health. Circulation. When you're properly hydrated, your blood is then oxygenated and flowing freely, which means stronger, longer-lasting erections and height and sensitivity. Water plays a crucial role in keeping your blood vessels flexible and open, allowing blood to reach every part of your body, including the areas that matter most in intimacy. Dehydration, on the other hand, thickens your blood, making it harder for your body to pump oxygen and nutrients where they need to go. That means slower arousal, weaker performance, and less intense pleasure. And it's not just about the bedroom. Poor circulation affects your heart, brain, and muscles, making everyday activities feel more exhausting than they should be. If you've noticed you're feeling more tired than usual, struggling to focus, or getting cold hands and feet, your blood flow might already be suffering. Water isn't just keeping you alive, it's keeping you performing at your best. Think about it, your body is made up of nearly 60% water, and your blood is almost 90% water. If you're running low, your body simply cannot function properly. That means every physical function, including S3x performance, takes a hit. One of the biggest mistakes men make. They wait until they feel thirsty to drink water. But by the time you're thirsty, your body is already dehydrated, and your blood flow is blood flow and circulation. Why hydration is essential for performance already slowing down. The key is to stay ahead of dehydration, not dehydration, and its negative effects: play, catch up, stamina, and energy. The fuel for performance. Ever felt exhausted before intimacy even begins? That's dehydration, draining your muscles of energy even at 2%. Drop in hydration levels can cause fatigue, sluggishness, and a lack of endurance. Water is the best natural energy booster, better than coffee, better than energy drinks. When your body is hydrated, your muscles work efficiently, your brain stays sharp, and your stamina lasts longer. Both in and out of the bedroom. Dehydration, however, does the opposite. It forces your body to work harder while giving you less energy to work with. It's like stepping on the gas pedal of a car running on empty. Eventually, you're going to sputter out. One of the most overlooked aspects of hydration is its role in muscle recovery and endurance. If you've ever woken up feeling sore after a long day, part of the reason could be dehydration. Water helps flush out toxins from your muscles, reduces inflammation, and speeds up recovery. That means if you're properly hydrated, you'll have the energy and strength to be at your best, whether it's in the gym or the bedroom. Another thing to consider: mental fatigue is just as damaging as physical exhaustion. If you're not hydrated, your brain slows down your reaction, time weakens, and your focus drifts, and nothing kills the mood faster than feeling drained, irritable, or mentally foggy. The solution: stay hydrated consistently throughout the day. Don't wait until you feel thirsty. If you're finding this best times to drink water for maximum benefits. Information helpful, hit the like button and drop a handy hydration in the comments. Now that you understand why hydration is crucial, the next step is learning how to do it right. In the next section, I'll break down the biggest hydration mistakes men make and show you a simple daily hydration routine that will have you feeling stronger, sharper, and more confident. in just 7 days. Hormonal balance. The chemistry of attraction, testosterone, and estrogen, the key hormones behind libido, confidence, and Si3 fuel attraction, rely on hydration to stay balanced. When you're dehydrated, these hormone levels plummet, leading to low desire, mood swings, and the hidden impact of water on testosterone and hormones. Lack of motivation. Hydration plays a bigger role in your hormonal health than most men realize. When you're properly hydrated, your body is able to transport and regulate hormones more efficiently, ensuring that testosterone levels remain optimal for energy, muscle growth, and libido. But when you're dehydrated, your body struggles to produce and maintain the very hormones responsible for your sixth drive and mood stability. And here's something most men overlook. Dehydration increases cortisol, the stress hormone. Higher cortisol levels directly lower testosterone, meaning that if you're stressed and dehydrated, you're setting yourself up for even bigger drops in energy, confidence, and attraction. Self-check: are you dehydrated? If you answer yes to any of these, dehydration is likely affecting your energy and performance. Do you wake? Common hydration mistakes. That lower libido, up feeling groggy and exhausted even after a full night's sleep? Have you noticed duller skin, dry lips, or frequent headaches? Do you feel low energy or weak circulation? Has your libido dropped or your stamina decreased? If this sounds like you, don't worry. I'll show you exactly how to fix it. The right way to hydrate for peak performance. Drinking water isn't just about quantity. It's about timing, method, and consistency. Your body needs steady hydration throughout the day to maximize circulation, hormone balance, and energy levels. But most people don't hydrate properly either, drinking too much at once, or not enough when it matters most. Here's how to do it right. Start your day with liquid energy. When you wake up, your body is naturally dehydrated after hours of sleep. That's why the first thing you put into your body should be water, not coffee. Drinking 16-20 rupees of water first thing in the morning jumpstarts your circulation, rehydrates your organs, and flushes out toxins that accumulate overnight. Think of it like this. Your body is a machine, and water is the oil that keeps everything running smoothly. When you start your day with water, you mental fatigue, focus, and the bedroom connection. Wake up your metabolism, boost oxygen flow, and set yourself up for sustained energy throughout the day. If you skip this step and go straight for caffeine, you're actually dehydrating yourself further, making it harder to stay alert and energized. Want to take it up a notch? Add electrolytes and their role in stamina. A pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon to your morning water. The salt helps replenish lost electrolytes, while the lemon kickstarts digestion and gives your immune system a boost. Timing is everything. Drink before you eat. Most people drink water during their meals. But here's the truth: drinking water 30 minutes before eating is much better for digestion, absorption, and overall energy levels. Why? Because drinking before meals prepares your stomach to break down food efficiently, ensuring that your body absorbs the nutrients that fuel your stamina and hormone production. Hydration before meals also supports testosterone levels. Testosterone is highly sensitive to nutrient